But at first I froze and I was like, oh, what do I do? And here it's so much more friendly. I haven't practiced it in like 2 years, so I was a bit nervous. My name's Neha Biju and I'm a third year. Well, I've just finished my third year at King's College London. Hi, I'm Sophia and I just finished my second year studying medicine at King's College London.
Hi, my name is Esther and I've just finished my fourth year of medical school at King's College London.
How young the doctors are, it is absolutely amazing to be able to relate to them, whether it's like talking to them about surgery or life outside. And yeah, I just really enjoyed having young doctors around me.
I think the thing that shocked me the most was how close everyone is at the hospital. Even as a newcomer, everyone was welcoming me and greeting me in the changing room. And it was such a nice experience to be really like acknowledged. So that was something that shocked me a lot. The hostel itself is so beautiful. You've got amazing sea views and there's loads of space and kind of atmosphere. It's like a good atmosphere on the wards. So that was really nice. And just getting kind of the attention that the doctors give the patients and their rehabilitation and getting ready for surgery as well, I think was really amazing. Here, I've noticed that they start their residency in surgery much earlier. So a lot of the doctors are very young and it's really nice to be able to relate to them as well. It's very inspiring to know that you can be a surgeon at such a young age and still have such a good balance of working and a social life as well.
Oh, I absolutely love how the doctors here, they study medicine and then they go straight into a specialty that they absolutely love. So they're really dedicated and they're very expertised in their chosen specialty, which is so different from the UK. And I absolutely love that. So yeah.
We've had a chance to chat with local medical students and it's really interesting to see how different the curriculums are and different the exams are as well. But yeah, it's great. It's been great to be kind of observing and being a little bit hands-on here as well.
I'm so much more confident at integrating myself in the surgical team, especially since like even in the UK, I struggle quite a lot. And here it's so much more friendly and younger doctors just make it easier for me to integrate with the team.
I feel much more confident in my Spanish. Even though I studied it at school, I haven't practiced it in like 2 years, so I was a bit nervous. But everyone is so excited to speak Spanish with me and practice their English as well. So it's been really fun to like make conversation with all like the doctors, nurses, patients, and, you know, make connections with them. So that's been really fun. I think I learned the importance of being able to introduce yourself and think fast. Because I literally, on my way here, I had someone ask for directions. And I was like, no, I'm a student. I didn't know the whole school very well. But at first I froze and I was like, oh, what do I do? So yeah, kind of thinking fast, looking on your feet, and like learning key phrases.
My biggest advice is just to have fun. Because at the end of the day, like there's no pressure or anything like that. You're not doing it to work towards a portfolio, nothing like that. So enjoy your time here, see and hear everything and take everything in. And make sure you try to apply it to your future career as well.
I think don't overthink it, don't stress, just go with such an open mind and try and make the most of all your experiences. Say yes to any opportunity and ask around. Closed mouths really don't get fed. If you want to see something, try and ask someone. And I think, yeah, try and make the most of the experience. Definitely do it. It's been really amazing. We've learned so much, not just about kind of our specialties, but about life in Barcelona and life in Spain as well. And just kind of have fun, meet people, introduce yourself, and yeah, make the most of it.